Imagine waking up tomorrow to see a flashy ad that says, earn 10 lakh rupees in 30 days without lifting a finger. Sounds tempting, right? But here's the scary truth. For every person chasing these shortcuts, there are hundreds left broke, confused, and embarrassed. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the so-called get-rich-quick schemes and reveal why they're designed to fail you and what actually works instead. Stay with me, because in the end, I'll also give you a roadmap to building real wealth the smart way. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And hey, if you really could get rich overnight, don't you think we'd all be sipping coconut water in Bali by now? Point 1. The allure of quick money. Let's start with why these schemes are so attractive. They promise the one thing humans crave the most: instant results. Our brain loves shortcuts. When someone dangles the idea of doubling your money in days, it triggers greed, hope, and excitement. It feels like a dream escape from the 9-to-5 grind. But here's the harsh reality. If money was that easy, inflation wouldn't exist, banks wouldn't exist, and hard work would be meaningless. Point 2. Classic red flags of schemes. Now, how do you spot a get-rich-quick trap? Watch for red flags. Guaranteed high returns, little to no effort required, time-limited offers that push urgency, and flashy testimonials with rented cars and villas. Remember, real investments grow like a tree, slow, steady, and strong. These scams? They're like fireworks, flashy for a second and gone the next. Don't get burned. Tell me honestly, when was the last time you saw someone post, "I lost money in a scam" on Instagram? Exactly. They only show the rented Lamborghini. Point 3. Ponzi and pyramid schemes explained. One of the most common scams is the Ponzi or pyramid scheme. Here's how it works. Money from new investors is used to pay old investors, creating the illusion of profit. But when recruitment slows down, the entire house of cards collapses. Think about it. If the scheme truly worked, why would they need new members constantly? That's the giveaway. If you're being told to bring 2 more friends, run the other way. Point 4. The emotional manipulation behind schemes. Scammers don't just sell you money, they sell you emotions. Fear of missing out. The rush of belonging to an exclusive inner circle. The thrill of becoming rich before your friends do. They know how to hack your psychology. And here's the kicker. Even the smartest people fall for it, because emotions beat logic when urgency is involved. Don't let your brain's shortcuts make your wallet empty. Point 5. Real stories of victims. Let me share a real story. In India, thousands of people lost crores in chit fund scams. Families sold land, jewelry, even homes because they believed in the promise of doubling money. And when the scam collapsed, lives were ruined. It's not just about losing money. It's about losing trust, dignity, and peace of mind. That's the true cost of shortcuts. But here's the good news. There's a way to build wealth that scammers don't want you to know. And it starts with patience. Point 6. Why real wealth takes time. Here's a universal truth. Wealth is not a sprint. It's a marathon. You don't plant a seed today and eat mangoes tomorrow. You nurture it, water it, protect it, and only then do you enjoy the fruits. The same goes for money. Compound interest, long-term investing, and building passive income streams may not look sexy, but they're the real secret. And yes, it's slow, but slow is safe, and slow is sure. Point 7. The illusion of overnight success. Let's address the elephant in the room. Those Instagram gurus who flaunt overnight success. What you see is the highlight reel, not the reality. Behind that luxury car might be an EMI. Behind that Rolex might be debt. And behind that mansion might be rented props. The truth? Overnight success usually takes 10 years of hard work. Don't let illusions steal your focus. Think about it. If someone really discovered a magic money machine, why would they sell you an ebook for 499 rupees? They'd be on a private island, not running Facebook ads. Point 8. Building real passive income. Here's where things get exciting. Instead of chasing fake shortcuts, you can create systems that pay you while you sleep. Imagine earning from a YouTube channel, digital products, affiliate marketing, or dividend stocks. It's not instant, but it's real. And once built, these streams become your safety net against inflation, recession, or scams. That's not just income, that's freedom. Point 9, the Smart Wealth Roadmap. So, what's the alternative to scams? A smart roadmap. Step 1, master financial literacy. Step 2, start small. Even 500 rupees invested consistently beats doing nothing. Step 3, diversify. And step 4, be patient. Wealth is built brick by brick. Remember, the tortoise didn't just win the race, he survived the race. You don't need speed, you need direction. And before we wrap up, let me show you why ignoring this advice can cost you not just money, but your entire financial future. Point 10, final warning and empowerment. Here's the final truth. Get-rich-quick schemes are not just scams. They're distractions. They steal your time, your energy, and your dreams. But when you reject shortcuts and choose the long game, you unlock something powerful: freedom. Not just financial freedom, but the freedom of peace, security, and control over your life. And that, my friends, is priceless. So the next time someone promises overnight riches, remember this. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If you found this video eye-opening, then you'll absolutely want to check out my next video. What is inflation and how it affects your daily life? Because understanding inflation is the key to protecting your money from silently losing value every single day. Click on the end screen now, and I'll see you there.